Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about what is triangle and types of triangles. So first of all we need to know about what is triangle, right? So just think about the situation. A teacher distributes 2, 3, 4 and 5 sticks of equivalents to 4 students, okay, and asks them to form a closed figure. Closed figure, which means what? Closed means we know that மூடப்பட்ட, right? For example, close the door அப்படின்னா என்ன? அந்த டோரை மூடுங்கன்னு அர்த்தம் இல்லையா? So likewise, closed figure means மூடப்பட்ட வரைபடம். Okay, so here the teacher asks them to form a closed figure. So closed figure means it should not be open. Okay, okay. Three students make the following figures. Okay, so look at the figures here. These all the figures are closed. Okay, these all the figures are closed, it should not be opened. Okay, and but one of the students who has two sticks with him creates the following figure. Okay, so here the guy who has two sticks creates the following figure. So look at the picture here. This is the picture, the guy who has two sticks. Okay, so but it's a open figure. Okay, these are the two sides and another side it is open, right? So he is not able to create a closed figure. Okay, it's not a closed diagram. Okay, so he is not able to create a closed figure. Do you know why? Can you guess the least number of sticks required to form a closed figure? Okay, so if you want to form a closed figure, we need at least 3 sticks, then only we can form a closed figure, right? So if you want to form a closed figure, we need at least 3 sticks. Okay, if you had formed a closed figure with 3 sticks, then what shape would you get? Is there any special name for it? Okay, yes, it's called triangle. Okay, so I hope you understand about what is triangle. Triangle, which means a closed figure formed by joining 3 line segments, is called a triangle. Okay, here a triangle has 3 sides and a triangle has 3 angles or 3 vertices. Okay, here in this triangle, AB is one side and BC is one side and AC is one side. Okay, these are the sides of the triangle. Okay, and it has 3 angles, angle ABC and angle BAC and angle ACB. Okay, 3 angles. Okay, or 3 vertices. A is one vertex and B is one vertex and C is one vertex. So totally 3 vertices. Okay, so a triangle has 3 sides and it has 3 angles. Okay, next, types of triangle. We can classify the triangle by 2 ways. One on the basis of angles and the second one on the basis of sides. First one, on the basis of angles, we can classify it into 3 types. The first one, acute angle triangle, and the second one, right angle triangle, and the third one, obtuse angled triangle. First one, acute angled triangle. A triangle whose all the angles are acute is called an acute angled triangle. Acute means less than 90 degree. Okay, if in a triangle all the angles are less than 90 degree means that triangle is called an acute angled triangle. Okay, for example, look at the diagram here. Here the first angle value, this is 70, and the second value, this is 15, and the third value angle here it is 60. Okay, here all the values are less than 90 degree. Therefore this triangle is called an acute angled triangle. Okay, next, second one, a right angled triangle. A triangle in which one of the angle is a right angle is called right angled triangle. A right angle which is equal to 90 degree. A right angle which is equal to 90 degree. If in a triangle any one of the angle is 90 degree means the triangle is called an right angled triangle. Okay, so look at the picture here. Here B angle value here it is 90 degree. So one of the value here it is 90 degree. Therefore, this kind of triangles are called right angled triangle. Okay, next third one, obtuse angled triangle. A triangle in which one of the angle is obtuse angle is called obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse, which means greater than 90 degree. Okay, greater than 90 degree. So here a triangle in which one of the angle is obtuse. Okay, so if in a triangle any one of the angle is greater than 90 degree means that triangle is called an obtuse angled triangle. Okay, for example, look at the diagram here. Here one of the angle B angle, here it is 110. Okay, 110 is greater than 90 degree. Therefore, this type of triangle are called obtuse angled triangle. Okay, next, on the basis of sides, we can classify the triangle into three types. The first one, equilateral triangle, and the second one, isosceles triangle, and the third one, scalene triangle. The first one, equilateral triangle. A triangle whose all the sides are of equal length is called an equilateral triangle. Okay, so I hope you understand it. If in a triangle all the sides are equal means the triangle is called an equilateral triangle. Okay, for example, look at the picture here. Here the length of AB is 6 centimeter and length of BC is 6 centimeter and length of AC is also 6 centimeter. Okay, here in this triangle all the values are equal. Therefore, this triangle is called an equilateral triangle. Okay, and the second one, isosceles triangle. A triangle whose any two sides are of equal measure, which means equal length, is called an isosceles triangle. Okay, which means if in a triangle any two sides are equal length means it's called an isosceles triangle. For example, look at the picture here. Here the length of AB is 7 centimeter and length of AC is also 7 centimeter, but length of BC is 4 centimeter. Therefore, here in this triangle, two sides alone equal. Okay, so like that, if in a triangle two sides are equal means the triangle is called an isosceles triangle. Okay, and the last one, scalene triangle. A triangle whose no two sides are of equal measure is called scalene triangle. No two sides, which actually means any sides. Okay, for example, if in a triangle all the sides are not equal means it's called an scalene triangle. Okay, for example, look at the picture here. Here the length of AB is 4 centimeter and length of AC is 5 centimeter and length of BC is 6 centimeter. Okay, so here all the sides are not equal. Okay, so this type of triangles are called scalene triangle. Okay.